Okay, so my name is Keegan Treves, and this is my presentation on tungsten's use in various industries outside of the welding industry. So tungsten's a material commonly used in many different industries due to its characteristics. It's also widely considered to be an exotic material, but some of these characteristics of tungsten include a high melting point, high current carrying capacity, durability, and corrosion resistance. These characteristics in tungsten, especially its high melting point, make it a desirable material for use in the welding industry, as the arc with TIG welding can reach 11,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Given these advantages of tungsten, it makes it a valuable material in a multitude of different industries outside of welding, including but not limited to aerospace, defense, medical, automotive, and construction, as well as many other industries. The graph below demonstrates what percentage of the global tungsten supply gets used by each industry. So here's the graph. As you can see, the defense industry uses roughly 12%, automotive 40%, construction 8.5%, and electronics 0.5%. Let me get this set back up. All right. The first industry that I'll be diving into that extensively uses tungsten is the defense manufacturing industry. This industry accounts for, as I said, roughly 12% of the global tungsten usage. The abundant usage of tungsten in this industry is directly accredited to tungsten's heat resistance, hardness, and density. Each of these valuable properties that tungsten holds makes it a viable material for use for certain defensive weaponries. For example, tungsten is used in the fabrication of nuclear components due to its high density and ability to withstand extreme conditions. Due to tungsten's hardness characteristics, it is commonly used in armor-piercing rounds and ballistic armor. And finally, tungsten's ability to withstand extreme temperatures and stresses makes it valuable for use in aviation components and missile guidance systems. So, obviously, given its properties, tungsten is a valuable material used in many fields outside of defense manufacturing. One of the industries that also uses tungsten is the construction industry. It is likely that most people in construction have used tungsten at some point over the course of their career, but specific construction jobs can result in a higher usage of tungsten or tools that use tungsten. The usage of tungsten in the construction industry consists of road chisels, rock drills, tunneling machines, and cutting tools. Cutting tools are responsible for the most abundant usage of tungsten in this industry, as it includes drill bits, knives, circular saws, and other cutting tools which are used pretty much regularly. The industry that is accredited with the largest use of tungsten annually is by far the automotive industry. This is due to a variety of factors, including the number of parts that use tungsten in automotive manufacturing and the amount of product that is put out by automotive manufacturers every year. Tungsten alloys are used in the fabrication of crankshafts, as these are stronger, more rigid, and lighter than steel crankshafts. The lighter weight of tungsten also makes it a viable component to use in the construction of connecting rods in place of using steel. However, these are not the only parts in automotive that use tungsten, as it's also used in pistons, brake pads, spark plugs, balancing weight, combustion chambers, exhaust systems, and many other parts that are crucial to the construction of an automobile. Finally, tungsten has a significant role in the electronics industry as well, as it's used in both simple and complex products that we use every day. Some of the simple products we use every day that include tungsten are sensors, light bulbs, heating coils, and many more. However, as previously mentioned, tungsten is also used in complex electronics that we use, such as our smartphones, integrated circuits, and electronic tubes. While these are only a few of the industries that use tungsten, it allows us to see the wide array of products that we use in our everyday life that utilize tungsten and its properties. So that's my presentation.